to that point. I think I paid $10,000 up until that point. So like I worked my ass off to get to that point.
Did you work your ass off though, Ricky?
No, I have a big ass, so I didn't really work
Self out over money till I was like in tears. I would be so overwhelmed by it, just thinking we're never gonna get ahead, we're never gonna get ahead. And Matt was like, we're gonna be fine. In fact, I forgot to tell you, I bought a truck 3 months ago and I've been hiding it in my buddy's garage, but I'm sure we'll be all right. It was not always smooth. We did not agree all the time.